Hi, good day. itZaTECH is here, your tech tips buddy. In this video, we're playing MIR4. I have here a mission request called Dragon Artifact made by a human. To obtain this, here's how we do. Before you can unlock the mission request called Dragon Artifact made by a human, you need first to finish the common mission called the Demon Raider. In my case, I already finished that, so I need to go to the place where I can start hunting the request mission. Okay, let's start. I open my map and go to this location so we can accept the request mission. Alright, we're here. Talk that guy. He handled the mission request. Okay, the request mission is accepted. In the monster tab, all of these monster locations are good for the request mission. Make sure you killed it first. Hitting them is not valid. I transferred to another monster location due to main clan is on the previous spot. So here now, it will take a while before we complete the mission, so rather you AFK in the area. I will fast forward so you can see my choose area is valid for the request mission. Okay guys, that's it. I obtained 1 purple gem out of 30. Thank you for choosing to watch this video tutorial. Hope it helps. See you around.